Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Fiesta oil cooler. First, ensure your engine is completely cool and the vehicle is securely supported on jack stands. You'll need a basic set of metric wrenches and sockets, along with a suitable drain pan for fluids. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the process to protect yourself from hot fluids and sharp edges. Proper preparation makes the job much smoother. Next, you'll need to drain the engine coolant. Place your drain pan beneath the radiator and open the drain plug, allowing all the coolant to flow out. Once drained, locate the two coolant hoses connected to the oil cooler and carefully remove their clamps, then detach the hoses. If there are any electrical connectors or sensors on the cooler, gently unplug them now, ensuring not to damage the wiring. Now it's time to detach the oil cooler itself. Locate the bolts that secure the cooler to the engine block. These are typically 3 or 4 bolts. Using the correct size socket, carefully loosen and remove them. Once the bolts are out, gently wiggle the cooler to break its seal. Be ready for a small amount of residual engine oil to drip out as you pull the cooler away from the engine. Remove the old gasket. After removing the oil cooler, take a moment to inspect it and the old gaskets for any cracks, corrosion, or excessive wear. Before installing a new or refurbished cooler, it's crucial to thoroughly clean the mounting surface on the engine block to ensure a proper seal. Always use brand new gaskets during reassembly. This prevents leaks and ensures the new cooler functions correctly for many miles to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.